All right, guys, what's up? I've been watching you humans from up here, and I gotta say, you've got some weird habits.
So I'm here. This is it. Apparently, this little thing can make a cappuccino. Seems simple enough, right?
Okay, step 1, find an outlet. Who knew human technology was so small? My paw is bigger than this entire cord.
Alright, step 1, fill reservoir with water. Step 2, tamp coffee grounds. What in the blazes is tamping?
Okay, it's a little messy. It says it's for frothing milk.
I thought this would be a great substitute. But I guess snow isn't milk. Noted. Let's try again with a better plan.
And? Drip. Okay, I guess the jumbo size wasn't for me after all. Ugh. Wow, that is strong and bitter.
So, yeah, human espresso machines. Maybe they're not for me. My mountain brew is a lot easier to make.